I myself, Srinivas Bodupalli. I am the founder and managing director of AS Automation and Engineering Services Pvt. Limited. We are organizing a stall in Industrial Innovation Technology Expo, HITEX Hyderabad. See, we are exhibiting ABB. We are an authorized channel partner for ABB, UL Group, Massibus, Toshineval products, and we are exhibiting all the ABB drives, VFDs, PLCs, SCADA, HMI, all the products of ABB. And we are also a panel manufacturer. We manufacture all electrical control panels, where these panels are used for all industrial requirement, commercial requirement, and all IT buildings, hospitals, etc. We are very happy to participate in this expo, as we are seeing a lot of footfall and good responses coming from our customers, visitors. I think I request all visitors to come down and experience and feel our products. And we are also exhibiting the new technology here, upcoming technology like industrial IIoT concepts, cloud-based computing, IT solutions like that, the IT integrated to the OT platforms. So ABB is a international brand, and it is top class brand which is having an highest market share in the industrial automation and electrical segment. So brand wise, it's a top rated brand. The no compromise with the quality, safety, and these things. So it's a very reputed brand. So we are authorized channel partner for ABB and an extended arm for the ABB. So you can rest assured with the quality and product ruggedness. Looks market is good. Now we are seeing a lot of scope for industrial automation, and now upcoming trends like Industry 4.0, IIoT concepts, industrial Internet of Things, and yes, future looks to be very bright for this sector.